Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, let's look at some more examples related to finding the derivative of trigonometric functions. As part of that, we have a simple example here. We have to find out the derivative of cos x by 1 plus sin x. So let's try to work together to find out the derivative of cos x by 1 plus sin x. If you try to have a look at cos x by 1 plus sin x, you see that the function what we have here is in the form of u by v, and we know that derivative of a function which is in the form of u by v, or by applying the product rule, nothing but equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is what we know. And we also know by looking here u equal to cos x and v equal to 1 plus sin x. Shall we find out u dash and v dash so that we can substitute? Okay, let's try to find out what is u dash. What's the meaning of u dash? Nothing but derivative of cos x. And we can see that on the right hand side we have derivative of cos x is nothing but equal to minus sin x. So we know u dash is minus sin x. Similarly, what is derivative of 1 plus sin x? V dash is derivative of 1 plus sin x. We know we can write it as derivative of 1 plus derivative of sin x, and we also know derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of sin x is nothing but equal to cos x. So we got our u dash, we got v dash, so we are ready to apply the formula. So what we understood from now, we have been given a function cos x by 1 plus sin x. We have been asked to find out the derivative of that. So it's in the form of u by v, so we are applying the product quotient rule, not the product rule, by which we know that u by v whole dash is derivative of that is v square in the denominator, and in the numerator we have v into u dash minus u into v dash. So let's just continue with that, taking u, v, u dash, v dash and substitute in the formula. So I'll write it down. I will say derivative of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Let us say this is equal to y dash, because y equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x. We can write y dash equal to v into u dash. What is v? 1 plus sin x into u dash. U dash is minus sin x minus u is cos x multiplied by v dash. V dash is derivative of v dash, just now we found that it is nothing but cos x, divided by v square. V is 1 plus sin x, so we'll have 1 plus sin x whole square. Let's try to simplify this. Minus sin x into 1 is minus sin x, then minus sin x into plus sin x is minus sin square x, minus cos x into cos x is cos square x, divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Now we see here minus of sin x minus of sin square x plus cos square x. If you take minus out common, you will have sin square x plus cos square x, which is nothing but equal to 1. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So can I go ahead and substitute that? I will have y dash equal to minus sin x minus of Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. Again you can take minus common. That will be nothing but minus of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. We can cancel 1 plus sin x. So the answer is minus of 1 by 1 plus sin x. That's a derivative of cos x by 1 plus sin x. How we have done that? We have found out u dash and v dash, then we substituted in the formula. We just simplified them. After simplification, we see that we get minus of 1 by 1 plus sin x. Let's do one more example. We have to find out the derivative of sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. Now again we see in the form of u by v, u and v, and we know the formula of quotient rule. So let's go ahead and solve this problem. So we'll write it down. Y dash equal to u by v whole dash, that's equal to v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. We also know u equal to sin x plus cos x, v equal to sin x minus cos x. Let's find out u dash and v dash so that we can substitute in the formula. U dash equal to d by dx of sin x plus cos x. We know that if you have a function which is a sum of two other functions, we can separate them. We can find out the derivatives of individual functions. So can I say d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of cos x, which is equal to derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we have cos x minus sin x. Let's find out the derivative of v also. V dash is derivative of sin x minus cos x. Derivative of sin x minus cos x. That will be again equal to individual derivative subtraction. I can say d by dx of sin x minus d by dx of cos x, which is equal to sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x is minus sin x, but we have one more minus here. Minus of minus will be plus. I hope you are comfortable with that. So we found u dash, v dash, we have u and v. So let's go ahead and write down the formula and substitute to find out the derivative. Y dash equal to v square. What is our v? V is sin x minus cos x. So I'll write down sin x minus cos x whole square. V into u dash. V is sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x into u dash. U dash we just found that it is cos x minus sin x. I can write it as cos x minus sin x minus of u into v dash. U is sin x plus cos x and v dash equal to cos x plus sin x. Can I write it as sin x plus cos x? If you observe, you can see that we have sin x minus cos x minus of sin x minus cos x, sin x plus cos x, again sin x plus cos x. So can we apply any formula here? Let us see that. I will write this as minus of sin x minus cos x whole square. You will agree with me because cos x minus sin x is minus of sin x minus cos x minus of, I have sin x plus cos x whole square, sin x plus cos x whole square divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. Now if you take minus out, we have minus of sin x minus cos x whole square plus sin x plus cos x whole square divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. Now if you observe, we have a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, we know, which is nothing but equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So can I go ahead and write it as minus of a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square, where a is sin x and b is cos x. Sin x minus cos x whole square plus sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to minus of 2 into sin square x plus cos square x divided by, because 2 into a square plus b square divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. This is nothing but equal to, we know sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, so I can write it as minus 2 divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. So that's the derivative of sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x. What we have done? We have applied the individual derivative formulas and we have found the derivative of sin x plus cos x, derivative of sin x minus cos x. Then we substituted in the quotient rule. We know u, v, u dash, v dash. A little bit of simplification will give you the answer as minus 2 divided by sin x minus cos x whole square. So in the next session, we'll try to solve some more examples related to derivative of trigonometric functions. So I'll catch you in the next session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.